Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Sharita and the name of my channel is Unique by Sharita. Welcome. So in today's video, we're going to be refreshing our entryway dining room area as well as our living room area. Please stay tuned. I hope you enjoy this video. Although I won't be doing much talking in this video, it's definitely one you want to watch. I'm going to be showing you how to display items on your coffee table, end tables, side tables, as well as your bookshelf. We're going to be grouping items in groups of threes. We're also going to use single items as a focal point. We're going to do some layering, and we're also going to use a front and back method. That's a form of layering where you'll see a little bit of the back decor piece stick out and peep out in the front. Emberable sent me 2 fire pit bowls. Let's go ahead and unbox them. These can be used indoors or outdoors. We're going to use them indoors. These fire pit bowls are really nice. I love the color. It goes really well with the aesthetics of my home. The bottom of the fire pit bowl is completely covered with felt, so you won't have any issues with scratching your table. It also comes with these beautiful fire-rated glass stones, and it also includes a detachable inner burner cup and an outer burner cup, as well as your flame snuffer. We're going to display it on our dining room table, but I'll come back later on tonight to show you how it looks with the fire going. Now let's go ahead and decorate the living room area. Today I'm going to be using the lavender scented Sprayway glass cleaner. I've been looking all over the house to find places I could use it. I absolutely love the way it smells, and it works just as good as the original Sprayway glass cleaner. Before I start decorating anything in this area, I'm going to go ahead and use the glass cleaner to clean all of the glass surfaces as well as any granite or marble surface as well. Now let's move over to the bookcase. I chose colors that are similar in the space. I used a little bit of black on each shelf. I'm going to be filling these shelves up a little bit more, and these vases that I'm going to add to this particular shelf, I purchased at different times, and I'm just going to add some greenery to both of the ones that I'll be adding on this shelf. These little battery operated lights that you see in the background are remote control enabled, and I absolutely love them. I've had them for quite some time. I have a couple under my cabinet in the kitchen area. Also, these have more of a bright light. Even though I like the look of the warm light, the bright light for the bookshelf definitely helps out. Now these books are some books I already had, and I'm putting them on upside down. So I did come back later and flip them so they all will read in the same direction. I'm just putting up some of the items I use for the space up, and then I'm going to add a candle to the front entrance. All right, so I shared this light fixture in a recent haul. I purchased it for my dining room. I love it, I like it, but I'm not in love with it. So I don't think it's going to work for the look that I'm going for above my dining room table. So I am going to send it back. I wanted you all to see it close up because I don't think I shared it enough. It does have some stems that hang from the cording to cover that up. It's cute, but I'm not in love with it. All right, so it's nighttime. Let's go ahead and light our fire bowls and set the mood, and we can do a nighttime tour of the space. All right, everyone, we are coming to the end of this video. Thank you all for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't already subscribed and you like these types of videos, please hit the subscribe button, turn your notification on so you'll be notified when I post videos. And feel free to like, share, and comment. Sharing my videos really do help my channel. Thanks again for watching, and thank you, Emberable, for sending me those beautiful tabletop fire pits. I absolutely love them, and they fit the decor of my home perfectly. I'll leave the link for those tabletop fire pits and anything I have access to in the description. Thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one.